In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change email on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app, then go to your profile, tap at menu and select Settings and Privacy. After that, go to Account Center and tap at Personal Details. That's where we can easily find contact info. If we get into it, it will show us all our contact information, including our emails and phone numbers. So first off, we need to add here our new email. To do that, tap at Add New Contact, Add Email. Then enter your email address here and choose accounts for this email just by checkmarking them. After that, tap at Next, and after all the steps, your new email will be added right here in that list. After that, we can delete our old email. To do that, just tap at that email and tap at Delete Email. Just like that. Then enter your password, tap at Continue, and your email will be removed from your contact information. That's how you can easily change email on Instagram.